false photos or videos are memories and part of our life now. It feels terrible to lose them, especially when they are permanently deleted due to accidental deletion or device malfunction. Well, you need not to worry, as there are several ways to recover permanently deleted data on iPhone even without backup. Watch this video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Hey folks, myself Akhil from RecoverGo back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. The best thing, we can recover deleted data on iPhone without backup, and it works on latest iOS update 16.5 as well. But before I start, if you're new to RecoverGo, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Now finally, let's begin to know how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone without backup, and for this we will be using iToolab RecoverGo iOS. RecoverGo iOS is the best iPhone data recovery software that can easily recover deleted data on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch without backup. Can recover various data types including photos, videos, text messages, voice memos, contacts, call history, FaceTime and much more. The best thing is that we can preview and selectively recover deleted data from iPhone. Not only this, it can also extract data from iTunes backup and offers much more than official iTunes to restore backup on iPhone. Wow, that's simply crazy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free trial. It starts downloading, and once the iToolab RecoverGo iOS free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have iToolab RecoverGo iOS with all its features and capabilities. We can do so much with iToolab RecoverGo iOS, but today I will show you all how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone without backup. And for this, here we are back on iToolab RecoverGo iOS. Click on recover data from iOS device. Now we need to connect our iOS device with computer. Once connected, we will get a trust this computer notification. Tap on trust and enter iPhone passcode. Now here it mentions iPhone is connected. Select the type of data you want to recover. Here we have system data like contacts, text messages, voicemails, voice memos, photos, notes, call history and much more. Not only this, it also gives option to recover third-party app data. Let's not change anything and click on start scan. It starts scanning, analyze device environment. Next is backup iOS device data, and then it starts to decrypt data. Now it will start showing up data from iPhone. Once scan completes, here it mentions 725 data found. False, deleted data on iPhone will get overwritten as we keep using our iPhone, so we should get back deleted data as soon as possible. Now click on OK. Here we have contacts, text messages, voice memos, photos, Safari bookmarks, notes, calendars, and here at bottom we have third-party app data like app photos, app audios and app documents. Let's try and recover deleted photos from iPhone 6, and for this move to photos. Click on this to select all. Now click on recover. It starts exporting data, and once done, here is the confirmation. 60 pieces of data has been recovered successfully. Click on OK and it opens the folder containing recovered photos from iPhone. Browse through to check all the photos. See, all our photos are recovered successfully and the images are of original quality. Wow, effortless and easy to use. Well, that's not it. There is also iToolab RecoverGo WhatsApp that can recover deleted WhatsApp data, and iToolab RecoverGo Android that can recover deleted Android data. Now if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp data from iPhone or Android, you can watch this step-by-step tutorial, or if you want to recover deleted data from Android, you can watch this video from my channel. Now you may ask, is iToolab RecoverGo iOS free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about iToolab RecoverGo iOS pricing plans. Now here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for iToolab RecoverGo iOS. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. Now here is an exclusive coupon for you all. You can use this coupon to get extra 30% discount. Wow, that's amazing. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in description and pin comment to try out iToolab RecoverGo iOS if you are looking to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone without backup. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to development business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android phone without backup? If yes, this video is for you. Looking to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone but official mode to iOS not working for you? If yes, this video is for you.